there's this new Mayhem Season 8 event that's going on, and I think I'm going to unlock it. I think I'm going to spend the big money and do it. So we've unlocked already 6 of these things with crafting metals. We need to get all 24 of these unlocked so that we can get the 150 heirloom shards. So I'm going to go over to the store. I'm going to go over to Apex coins. I'm going to buy the biggest one, $116.99, and it will give me a total of 11,500 coins. Boys, are you ready for this? Are you ready?
Why did you spend that much money?
Oh, I know.
It's not like I've spent more than him, though.
You're convincing me. You're convincing me. All right,
It's
we're
not
gonna
like
go
I've
spend the
spent
money.
more than him.
What happened? Did it just crash? I just clicked on it to spend the money, and then
No, it's got to load.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Okay, what's going on here? I loaded the game back up. All right, I'm going back into the game. Is this a sign that it doesn't want me to spend the money?
It's a sign that it wants you to spend the money. Just do
All
it.
right. Well, I'm reloading back up. Let's try it again here. All right, here we go. Store, Apex Legends, Apex coins. Sorry. There we go. Loading up. All right. Buy. Yes. Let's do it. Oh my
yeah.
gosh, $116.99 plus tax. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Boom, 11,500 coins in the bank. Let's go. All right, I have to purchase these special offers, these bundles, right? That's what I have to do. So it's
Yes,
cheaper.
that's the best. That's
So
the best.
Purchase the one with the Pure Fire 7-pack bundle. Unlock.
Oh yeah.
All right. Boom. And now purchase the Blood Moon one. Unlock. Boom. Here. And now I have to purchase 6 packs. Do I have enough? 4,200! Oh my gosh,
Exactly.
I'm 50.
Wow.
I'm 50 coins short. Wow.
Wow. Seriously?
50
You
coins
have to
short.
spend 10 more bucks.
All right, well, I gotta go into store and just get.
Might as well now.
I might
Already
as well
spent
go.
that much.
It only lets me buy 1,000. All right, 1169. All right,
That's
this is
that
costing me more money than I wanted here. There's tax on this too. It's another 1169 plus tax, just to get 50
You already spent
coins.
115 bucks though.
I know. Oh my gosh. All right, here we go. All right,
It's definitely
premium
worth
currency
it.
done. All right, let's go back into the event here. Purchase 6 packs. Yes, unlock. Boom. All right, here we go. Now, let's go open these packs. This is gonna be sweet. Here we go. Let's watch this. Boom. Oh shit. Boom, boom, boom. All right, the lifeline one. All right, nothing crazy. Let's go next. Boom, boom, boom. All right, rare, epic. All right, that's cool. All right, we're gonna get all of them anyway, so it doesn't matter. Here we go. Boom, boom, boom. Ooh, there we go. Look at that. Hellcat Wraith legendary skin. All right, let's just equip that. Let's go. All right, next up. Another legendary. What do we got? Oh, the Caustic one. Let's go. That's my boy. That's my boy. Yes, equip that for sure. Done. Boom. All right, let's go next pack.
Skins on this season on this pack are really good.
They're pretty good. Yeah, they look good.
Yeah.
I like the look. Ooh, there we go. We've got the Revenant skin. All right, we're gonna equip that one too. Might as well. Oops. Go back. Here we go. All right, another one. Boom. Boom. Oh, the Mirage one. Let's equip that. Let's go. We don't care about the other stuff. All right, next one. There we go. Oh, nothing crazy on that one. All right, next one. Boom. Legendary here. Here we go. Boom. Oh, this is a skin for the R99. That's kind of boring, actually. Just
It
like
was
matte
a really
black.
good skin. No, it's not boring. It was a really good skin
Bobblehead?
back in the day.
I don't really like that one. It's great. All right, next one. Here we go. Now legendary. Ooh, this is for Pathfinder. Not bad. All right. That's okay. I don't really... we might as well use it. I don't really use Pathfinder anyway, but that's all right. All right.
I think it's nice that all the crafting metals are half off in Epic.
Yeah.
You got a lot of crafting metals built up.
Oh, this one's cool. I like that. That one's cool for Octane. That's kind of wicked.
Octane skin. Yeah, that's
yeah. Let's equip that. All right, we'll do that. There we go.
On me?
Oh, whoa. Burping through my video.
Wow.
All right, next up. Here we go. Legendary. Oh shit! What is this? This is for the Sentinel. All right, let's equip that. Roll
nice.
Cage. And then this is another rocket scientist for Watson. Equip that. All right, 5 more packs.
5.
Go. What is this? All right, nothing in that one. All right, next. Legendary. Let's go. Boom. Oh, wow. That one's crazy. Gibraltar. Holy, that one looks sweet. All right, cooking that. And then we even got a Loba one here. That's kind of interesting. All right, we'll put that one on too. All right, next.
The Gibraltar one's really good.
Yeah, the Gibraltar one.
Cool. Yeah, only because you like it.
Oh shit, we got another one. Crypto's gold one. Oh man, that looks pretty cool actually. Crypto one looks good. Alright, we'll leave that. 2 more packs. Here we go.
Come on.
Alright. This is actually kind of cool. No, we'll just leave that up.
Yeah.
Right, next up. Last one.
Oh.
Boom. Woo. Legendary skin from Bangalore. Alright, we'll put that one too. Alright. Oh no, we have one more pack. Did I mess it up? We do have one more. Sorry. One more pack. Here we go.
Wow.
Last one. Here we go. Heirloom shards. Boom. Let's go, baby. Yes. Heirloom shards. Let's go. Alright. We are unlocking the Caustic Hammer. Oh my gosh, I've been waiting forever to do this. Let's do it. Caustic Hammer. Boom. Purchase the Caustic Hammer Heirloom. This is my main, so we're doing it. Let's do it. Ah, oh, yes. Yeah. Unlock. Boom. What's it look like? Woo, woo, woo.
Wow.
Boom. 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 Oh, we even get a banner pose and equip with it as well. Oh, yes, equipping that. Let's go. Oh, yes. Equip. Yes. Equip this one, too. I look forward to getting my hands on you. All right, equip that. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. All right, we did it. There we go. Oh, you even got the skin, too. You got the one for him as well.
Oh, yeah, I got the Gibby one.
Sweet. I had to do it. All right, we got it, boys. We got it. Spent all that money. How much did we spend? I think I spent with taxes like over 140, 150 bucks.
Oh, you're holy.
Hurting. All right, it was worth it. It was worth it.